When you watch an advertisement for the first time, you'll earn 30 cents. If you watch a second ad, you'll make 54 cents. Watching a third ad will get you 62 cents, and so on. By using the technique demonstrated in this video, you can make $2.49 every minute by watching Google ads. This method works in every country, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and all around the world. And at the end of the video, there's a bonus tip that shows you how to make $700 a day in passive income using a new website. Step 1 is to visit a website where you can earn money by watching ads from the brands you like. I'll reveal the website's name shortly, but first, let's understand how it works. On this website, you watch brand ads, which are actually ads from Google websites. If you refer someone to this site, you can earn $5 whenever they sign up using your link. Once you accumulate enough money in your account, you can transfer it to your PayPal account or use other withdrawal options available here. Many brands, including the ones you see featured here, have partnered with this website to provide you with new Google website ads every day. You can learn more about this website by clicking on the About Us option at the bottom of the site. To get started, click on Sign Up Now. Then, enter your full name, email address, password, and date of birth. One important thing to remember is your server number, for example, server 1. You'll need this when you log in again. Make sure to check the I'm Not a Robot box and click Sign Up. Once you've signed up, your dashboard will look like this. As you can see, I received a $10 sign-up bonus in my account. Now let me demonstrate how you can increase your earnings. On your dashboard, scroll down a bit, and you'll find 5 ads that you can watch. Starting with the first ad, you'll earn 54 cents by watching a Google website ad. Click the Complete button below the first ad to open it. A new tab will appear, but simply close it and click the Complete button for the first ad again. It will display a message like, "Please don't close this page," recording your visit. Then, you'll be directed to a Google search engine page with an ad, and you'll notice a countdown in the top right corner, which is set at 35 seconds. You don't need to stay there the whole time, just wait for the 35 seconds to pass. While you're waiting, scroll up and down on the Google website ad that's shown to you. When the countdown reaches 0, a skip button will appear in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll return to your dashboard, where you'll see that you've earned 57 cents, and your account balance is now $10.57. Now, repeat the same process for the other 4 ads displayed on your screen. Click on the second ad, which will earn you 62 cents. Click the Complete button, and once again, you'll be taken to another tab, which you should close. Return to your dashboard and click the Complete button again. It will display the message, "Please don't close this page," recording your visit. You'll be directed to the Google search engine page, where you'll be shown another ad. Wait for 35 seconds to pass, then click the Skip button in the top right corner. This will bring you back to your dashboard, where you'll see that you've earned another 62 cents, and your account balance is now $11.19. However, you may have noticed that you're now left with only 3 more ads to watch, meaning you can only watch 5 videos in a 24-hour period. If you try to find the first ad we watched, you won't find it available because you can watch it again after 24 hours. But don't worry, I'll show you how to continue making $2.49 every minute repeatedly. Step number 2 involves making $2.49 again and again with these 5 ads only. All you need to do is create several accounts on this website. For example, you can create 5 to 10 accounts. One account will earn you 57 cents, another 62 cents, then 30 cents, 46 cents, and 54 cents. Together, these earnings add up to a total of $2.49 in less than a minute. So if you have 10 accounts, you can earn a total of $24.90 within a few minutes easily and effortlessly. Don't worry if you don't have many email addresses, because here's a bonus tip for you on how to create multiple accounts. Let me show you how it's done. First, log out of your current account, and we can start the process of creating a new account by clicking on Sign Up again. Now, on the next page, simply enter a different full name, your password, and your date of birth. For the new email address, go to temp-mail.org.tempmail is a website where you can find unlimited temporary email addresses completely free. Your temporary email will be displayed in a box. Click the icon to copy your email Then return to the ads watching website and paste your temporary email address in the designated box. Remember your server number because you'll need it when logging into this website again. Click on Sign Up and you'll be logged into your brand new account. To create additional accounts on this website, the process is straightforward. Once again, head over to tempmail.org to obtain another email address. However, before doing so, ensure that you copy the previous email you used from TempMail, which we used to create a second account on our ads watching website. It's a good practice to record your TempMail and its password in a Word folder for easy access whenever you require it. To obtain another mail address at no cost, all you need to do is click on the Change option on TempMail, and it will replace the previous email with a fresh temporary email address. Now, you can utilize this new email to create a third account on the ads watching website. By following this method, you can effortlessly generate 10 to 20 accounts without incurring any expenses. This allows you to maximize your earnings on the platform and make the most out of the available ads to increase your income rapidly. To achieve a passive income of $700, let's move on to step number 3. First, navigate to the left side of your dashboard and under the My Account section, click on Invites Earnings. This action will take you to a page where you'll discover that every time someone signs up using your referral link, you will earn $5 for each successful referral. Additionally, the person you refer will receive a $10 sign-up bonus. Your referral link will be displayed on this page, and you can effortlessly copy it to start sharing it with your family and friends to generate income. The website we're discussing here is known as cashvib.com. In today's world, there are ample opportunities for individuals to work online and earn money from the comfort of their own homes. Now, let me unveil a secret bonus trick that will enable you to attract thousands of online users who will register through your referral link, allowing you to earn $700 per day in complete passive income. For this step, let's navigate to Facebook and use the search box to look for Make Money Online and hit Enter. Afterward, scroll down a bit and select the Groups option. Within the groups, choose Public Groups, as these are open for anyone to join. You'll find a list of various public groups, and the good news is that you don't need any special permissions to join them. For instance, if you click on one of these groups, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see numerous posts offering various opportunities to make money online. Your task is to create a post similar to the one displayed here. As you can observe, this individual created a post a few hours ago and received a substantial number of likes and comments from interested people within the group. Now, here's the exciting part. If only 140 out of the thousands of group members sign up using your referral link, you'll easily generate $700 a day on cashvib.com. Moving on, allow me to demonstrate the most effective way to create a Facebook post to promote our referral link within this group. First, click on the area that reads What's on Your Mind to initiate your Facebook post. For your message, you can craft something like, I've managed to earn $100 by simply watching ads on this website. It's completely free. Just drop a comment below and I'll share all the details with you. Now let's address the image component. Return to Cashvib website and click on the Live Payments option displayed there. You'll find several payment proofs showcasing the legitimacy of this website. To complement the $100 mentioned in your Facebook post, I recommend saving one of these payment proof images to your computer device. Once you've secured the image, return to Facebook and click on the option to attach the image you've just downloaded. Your post will take on this format. You can replicate this process in multiple other Make Money Online Facebook groups. Trust me, after some time, you'll start attracting a significant number of referrals, potentially exceeding the daily $700 income goal. In the initial stages, aim to have around 10 to 30 people sign up daily, which translates to a monthly income of approximately $1,500 to $4,500, all from these straightforward Facebook posts. To access your earnings from this website, navigate to your dashboard and click on the Withdrawal option. This will lead you to a page where you'll find 5 withdrawal methods available: PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, Western Union, and Google Play gift cards. Each method has a minimum withdrawal limit of $70, and the maximum daily withdrawal limit is $100. Achieving the $70 minimum withdrawal is quite achievable if you consistently follow the strategies outlined in this video. That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wealth Walk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.